Hello everyone, my name is Amanveer Singh. So I'm a Principal Solution Architect at Telco IBU within AWS. So I'd like to share that this year we did 8 catalysts. We participated in 8 catalysts, uh, partnering with more than 30 partners and collaborating with about 27, 28 telcos as well. So the first catalyst that we participated in is, primarily with Salesforce and other partners. It's agentic ODA for proactive customer experience, where we are showcasing uh, end-to-end customer experience in a more agentic manner. And this catalyst, the differentiation is that it actually creates a framework under the hood using AWS services like Bedrock that enables telcos to add new agents whenever a new agent is available. So the framework is kind of a scalable. So we are showcasing here how the scalable framework can keep adding more agents, and the orchestrated agent actually can make sense of all that. So with that, we'll move on to the second catalyst. So our second catalyst is with Amdocs, Talus Digital, and Talus, and this is about AI-powered billing QA and anomaly detection. And the use case here is doing the billing anomaly detection using AWS, GenAI services, and LLMs, and both having proactive as well as post the billing happens, right? So in case that we do anticipate uh, an anomaly, we do inform the customer or we take appropriate actions. And if it has already happened and customer calls us, that's the second use case where we actually help our customer explain by doing step-by-step reasoning on why that anomaly happened and what could be the root cause and what could be the mitigation for that. So the third catalyst I will talk about is the one with Snowflakes and other partners and customers like Telia. So here we are showcasing the automation of B2B sales process using agentic framework. So the fourth catalyst is Neuronoc, the self-healing network brain. And this is a very interesting catalyst where it's more about orchestrating and demonstrating the GenAI capabilities across multiple vendors and multiple domains within the network. So next catalyst is GenAI enabled anomaly detection for RAN. And in this catalyst, we will actually take you through end-to-end journey of when we find an anomaly, and from there optimizing and fixing the root cause in the RAN itself. So for example, if let's say in any tower there is a battery issue or there is any other issue, we find the anomaly in the region using AWS LLM suite, and then from there we go to the edge and we actually trigger the fixing of that anomaly. So the next catalyst is a hyper-personalized network blueprint. And even though it's showcasing a gaming use case, but the solution goes much beyond that. So it's actually zero-touch, super low latency use cases right on the edge, how they can be delivered using AWS services, along with our partners like Cisco and Colt and few others. So the next catalyst we did with the BT, which is autonomous and sustainable IoT ecosystem. So this is more focusing on IoT for mobile devices. How do we actually enable, when the mobile devices go from one area to second area, to make sure that the quality of service does not get impacted, and how do we ensure those KPIs are delivered all the time. And the final catalyst we would like to talk about is advancing ODA in enterprise architecture. This catalyst we did with multiple customers as well as SAP and IBM. And this catalyst focuses on helping telcos identifying their compliance with ODA standards, and also once they know their compliance with ODA standards, how can they improve it from there. So the idea here is that from the current deployment, all the data is ingested into enterprise architecture tools, and then from those tools we use our LLMs. In fact, our Bedrock service, but IBM's fine-tuned LLM to ensure and to find out what the compliance level is. If you want to learn more about these catalysts, please visit TMForum website. You will find the detailed demo recordings of these catalysts as well as the presentations, the problem statements that we are trying to solve. Thank you very much, and have a good day.